In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in Affinity Photo. Adding a clean border is a quick way to make your image stand out, whether it's for a social post, a thumbnail, or a print. We'll keep things simple and precise so you can get a crisp, professional result every time. Start by opening the Affinity Photo app on your computer. Once it's open, load the image you want to work with so it appears on your canvas. If you have multiple layers in your document, make sure the photo layer is selected. You can click directly on the image on the canvas or select its layer in the Layers panel. This ensures the border is applied to the correct element. Now look to the right side of the interface for the Layer Effects option. It's often indicated by an FX icon. Click that to open the Layer Effects panel. This is where you'll find visual effects you can apply non-destructively, meaning you can tweak or remove them later without damaging your original image. In the Layer Effects panel, turn on the Outline effect. You'll see controls appear for how the border should look. By default, the border might be centered on the edge, but for a sharp, polished border that doesn't extend beyond your image, set the alignment to inside. Inside alignment keeps the border fully within the bounds of the photo, avoids fuzzy edges, and is especially helpful if your image has transparent areas or you're placing it on a background. Next, choose your color. You can select a solid color that complements your image, use the color picker to sample a tone from the photo, or enter a brand color if you have one. For high contrast and a classic look, white or black borders work well. For a more bespoke style, pick a color that echoes a dominant hue in your image. Finally, adjust the radius. This controls the thickness of the border. Think of it as the width in pixels. The right thickness depends on your image's resolution and where it will be viewed. For small social graphics, a modest radius often looks clean and modern. For high-resolution images or thumbnails that need to stand out, increase the radius so the border reads clearly at smaller sizes. Preview at 100% zoom to judge the result accurately, and nudge the slider or type of value until it looks just right. That's it. You've added a neat, customizable border using Outline with inside alignment, your chosen color, and a radius that fits your project. If you change your mind later, just reopen Layer Effects and adjust as needed.